Stick around to see the sad story unfold. Oh man, the chainring was gone! Hey, how much for a new chainring? First I need to mystery everything. Okay, let's try to design this on fusion. So the chain pitch is 20.7mm, 1050 pitch. That gives us the total circumference of the chainring. Now, to find the pitch diameter, the circle where the centers of the chain rollers are located, we take 635 and divide it by pi. Right, let's take this diameter and sketch the first circle. This is our critical pitch circle, the foundation of the entire chainring. Now, from the center, sketch a vertical construction line. At the intersection point, we'll draw an 8mm circle. To calculate the position for the next circle, we need to find the angle between each teeth. For this, we take 360 degrees and divide it by the number of the teeth, which is 50. Namely, at the intersection of the new angle line and the pitch circle, we'll sketch another 8mm circle. This will define the outer diameter for the old chainring teeth. To complete the tooth shape, we draw two circles. We use the center of the left and right small circles and extend them to the intersection point on the opposite. Now, we trim away the extra arcs and lines, and the magic happens. Finally, we use the Fusion Circular Pattern tool. We select the tooth profiles, set the center point, and input 50 as the quantity. Yes, and just like that, we have a complete recycled chainring. Now, for my specific project, I will draw the remaining measurements to adapt this chainring to fit a Shimano 3000 crankset. It's time to add volume to our design. With the structure, we'll transform this flat sketch into a three-dimensional object. For the final step, we'll export our design as an STL file, the standard format for 3D printing. Now let's open this STL in process slicer to prepare our first prototype. We'll orient the model for optimal writing and generate the cheat code. Time to bring our first prototype and see this chainring come to life. Now, for the real test, let's check how the chain engages with our prototype. We are now ready to proceed with the final prints. Our custom chainring design is complete and validated. Hey, what happened? Only one subscriber! Okay, if you're enjoying this content and want more videos about that, please subscribe. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video. As you can see, I used this chainring for 2 years on my daily 25 kilometers community. And this is a recipe. But the real value is learning the process. These exact same skills to repair critical parts, like this band shaft, that could be hard to fix without custom-made components. Alright, that's all for this project. I hope this guide inspires you. And I got you. What would you do with these techniques? Let me know in the comments, and bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.